Okay, guys, take a look at this. If I tell you I achieved this with ripe plantain, will you believe? On this video, I'm going to show you how I made this recipe using ripe plantain. So as you can see, I started off by peeling off my ripe plantain. If you want to try this recipe, use plantain that is not too ripe like the one I am using, okay? So I peel it off, chop it into smaller sizes. Next, I put them in the pot and then I cook it until it is soft. While my plantain is cooking, I added salt on it as well. Don't forget to add salt. Then the crunchies, you can use corn flakes if you don't have crunchies. Then mash it up until it is like this. As you can see, the plantain is soft. So I transfer it into my bowl and then I mash it up very smooth. Now tell me, all the plantain recipe I have posted, which one have you tried? Drop your comments in the comment section. Next, I am going to be making use of cheese. This is my first time using this cheese. When I saw it, I was like, they wrap it with white paper. Don't mind me. So I chopped the cheese into smaller size like this, like a square shape. And then I'm going to set it aside. Next, I added half cup of rice flour into the plantain. You can use plain flour, you can use oat as well, but I run out of flour and oat at home, so I decided to use rice flour. I mix it up together like this, I set it aside. Then on the leftover rice flour, I added water on it. You can use egg on this recipe. I don't have egg again, but you see this recipe, I told myself it must go on. So I added water on the leftover rice flour, mix it up like this, and then I set it aside. And then I oil my hand, then cut my dough the sizes I want it to be. Make a hole on the middle when I speak the English fine. Then I added the cheese into it and then wrap it like a ball, just like this. Then I dip it into the rice flour. I added water on it and then roll it in the crunches. So roll it very well until you can no longer see the plantain again, just like this, and then set it aside. So I continue until I finish the remaining one. Now tell me where you're watching this video so that on my next video I'm going to send you a hug. Next, I deep fry it into my hot oil and then reduce the heat of your oil because you don't want this to get burnt. Today's special hug goes to Chinedu, watching me from USA. Chinedu, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. Guys, take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you would love to try? Trust me, you will definitely love it. See how nice it is. Crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Just take a look at this. Oh my goodness. See how the cheese is inside the plantain. Guys, try this recipe. You are going to love it. It tastes amazing. Like, I can eat this every day and never get tired. All right, guys, if you find this video helpful, help me to share it. See you all on my next one. Bye.